Hello and welcome to Geospatial. In this video, we're going to look at how to convert a CAD file into a GIS file. So we have this layout, and I believe by seeing this, you understand how this goes. So it means these are all the plots, and then any of these openings here means that they are road, right? Okay, so we have this layout, this we have an undeveloped land here and all of that, but we're not looking at the undeveloped right now. We're only looking at how to convert this into ArcGis for maybe database purposes, where you want to design the layout and you want to have it in ArcGis format. So that's what this video is all about. So to get started, you launch your ArcMap. Any version from 10.0 will work, and I am using ArcMap 10.8.2. So to do that, you can search for a tool called CAD to Geodatabase. On this search tool, CAD to Geodatabase, or after you've searched, you just right click and say locate in catalog, so that you know where the tool is, and it is in conversion tool and then to Geodatabase. So I'm just going to use this to Geodatabase. Double click on it. Now once it comes up, you're going to click on the open folder, this thing you have here. That's because I do not have the cat.data around my table of content. So I'm just going to navigate to the folder which I'm currently in. I'm just going to click on this Dawaki plot, and I'm going to click on add. So it's going to be added to the input CAD dataset. Now all we need to do is to come down here. Where do you want your geodatabase to be? So I'm just going to click on this output geodatabase, and I'm going to quickly just create the geodatabase in here, and I'm going to name it. All right, so I'm going to add this there. So it has been added. Now I'm just going to leave every other thing the way it is, then go down. They ask for reference scale. Let's leave it where it is. And the reference, spatial reference, I'm just going to use WGS 1984 UTM zone 32. All right, so I'm going to click on OK, and I'm going to click on OK. And there you have it. So it has been converted. So now it has been converted to a CAD folder, a GIS format, which you can, it's now coming in groups, so you can ungroup them so that you have it like this. So you see that this is now a future class on its own that will have points. If I uncheck this point, assumably this is the point or the coordinate to which this whole work was done. So if I right click and go to attribute table, I should be able to, I may not see the coordinate, which we can also calculate all of them out of here. Yeah, we can do that, but right now none of them has that, but we can calculate it out of this place. All right, using this point we can calculate our x, y, z. Maybe the next video I should do that, maybe. All right, so the polling line now is the line to which you've used in creating those things, because you need bearing and distance. So you use the polling line to bring out the bearing and distance, and then the polygon, which is another tool that you use for your area, to calculate the area of your work. So you can see all these area that are white indicates that they are actually road. The layout road has been made. This one are some plots that are not even completed and all of that. And then if I uncheck that, we have the multi-patch. So the multi-patch is generally comprises of more than one data set, like either it's a polyline, point, or polygon, right? So, and then the annotation, which I just unchecked, and then every other thing that is written is removed out of this. So you can now start afresh by beginning to work on this one by one to be able to create data. AutoCAD, you will not basically be able to create a database of who owns this land and what of that, but you can actually do that on ArcGis. That's why it has created into a Geodatabase. So thank you for tuning in and watching this video today. Any question, anything you want to ask about this, you can drop at the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and comment. I'll see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.